Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix fails to assign drive letter when connecting external drive in Windows 11, 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list volume. Volume 4 is hidden. Type attributes volume. Type attributes volume clear hidden. Type auto mount disable. Type auto mount enable. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.